Hello, Paul here from EMD Motorsport Caringbah. Located on Kawara Road, which is one of the main roads in Caringbah, Sydney, Australia. Today I've got a Porsche 718 Cayman S, and I'm actually putting in the software from Soul Performance Software, which is a software from Softronic. So we're actually doing the program, basically updating the software so you can get a pretty much more power like a GDS. This will pump it up from a Cayman S to the same power. I think it's more power, more torque than the actual GDS model for the 718. Let me check it out first. Okay, so pretty much it's a 2.5 liter engine. So the S model is from factory is 350 horsepower and 309 foot-pounds of torque. So once we do the tune software will take it up to 440 horsepower and 395 foot-pounds of torque on this model, this 718. So if you've got a 718, best thing to do is give us a call. We'll just do a software upgrade. Don't worry about the exhaust and all that. Just do a software upgrade and you'll be very happy with it. Alright, but the GDS model from factory is 365 horsepower and 317 foot-pounds of torque. So basically you got a powerhouse. It's basically above the GDS power and torque. So 430 horsepower, 395 foot-pounds of torque. It's pretty cool figures in the Porsche world for this little monster. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.